the Ministry of Defense of China came out with a statement that we have to mend our ways and or suffer the consequences, and that the Philippines is blackmailing China. Hindi mo magsasabi sila, gusto namin makipag-usap, mabait kami, pwede sasabihan ka on the other hand na gano'n. Sampal sa mukha yun, kaya hindi ko tatanggapin.
Tawag po dito ay mga medium range capability, meaning pagka pinalipad po yung mga missiles na ito, ay aabot
hanggang mainland China.
Hanggang mainland. At aabot rin po dun sa mga artificial islands sila. Kaya sila natatakot. Pero, para sa amin po, wala naman po silang pakialam dapat.
A few moments later.
The reason why, ang hirap lapitan talaga. You know, meron kaming holding room. But every time he comes in, he's surrounded by his security. So, ang hirap lapitan. Ayoko namang mamilit. Baka suntukin pa ako ng security guard niya. But when we came to the end, sabi ko, nakakahiya ito. Hindi pa ako bumabate. Hindi ba? Baka ako anong sabihin. Baka naman ma-offend. Sabi ko. So, pinilit ko makapunta sa kanya. And I said, yeah, congratulations on your assumption of the chair for for the following APEC. And I hope to do a good work together with you. That's it. Mabilisan lang Mabilisan lang talaga.